Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Blender 5.1 how to add vertex to an edge. So we have this example box objects and you can go to edit mode. So if you want to add a vertex on edge, you can use the vertex selection. You can click these two vertex and then right click, use the subdivide. So to be add new vertex in the middle of the two vertex. If you want to add more, you can click in subdivide menu here and then set number of cuts. Click set to apply. So we add new vertex in the edge. You also can use the edge selection. Click at this option and then I will select at this edge. Right click and then use subdivide. Now we can set for the number of cut. Like I will set into 4. Click outside. And the next you can use again the vertex selection. It will be set to the vertex points in the edge. Okay, that's it for basic Blender 5.1. How to add vertex to an edge.